iCloud.com is a website from which you can view and utilize many iCloud services and apps. iCloud.com will work on any desktop or laptop computer, Mac or PC. But iCloud.com won't work on an iPad, iPhone, or other mobile device like an Android phone. On an iOS device, you have to be signed in and have iCloud set up in the Settings app to use it. But as long as you have access to a computer with an internet connection, you can access iCloud services with iCloud.com. After signing in, we come to the Icloud Homepage, also known as the Launchpad, which displays many iCloud services and app icons. Click on Mail, and my iCloud email is going to load. This won't load any other email accounts, such as Gmail or Yahoo, that have been set up on other devices. This will only display my @iCloud.com email account. To move between services, click the currently selected item here in the upper left, in this case Mail, and then I'm going to hop over to Calendar, and that loads. It matches the calendar on my Mac and iOS devices. Select iCloud Drive, and all my iCloud Drive folders are displayed. I'll go into my Documents folder. Any of these files can be downloaded. Just select one and click the download button up here. It's also possible to add a file to iCloud Drive by using the upload button here. Files can be deleted or shared with others from here as well. Any Pages, Keynote, or Numbers files can be double-clicked on and opened right within the browser, here on iCloud.com. I'll open this loan comparison document. A new tab opens in Safari, and Numbers for iCloud launches. This is a web app, but works much like the Mac and iOS versions of Numbers. I can edit this file here and save it. It's going to update on iCloud, and when I next open it on any of my other iCloud-enabled devices, those updates will be there. Back on the iCloud Drive page, click the Launchpad button to return to the iCloud.com homepage. Use the iCloud.com Settings app to manage your iCloud ID, view your iCloud storage, and your iCloud-enabled devices. When you're finished using iCloud Drive, especially on a computer that isn't yours, make sure to sign out up here.